Good morning, Fairfax. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. Today is World Read Aloud Day and also National Carrot Cake Day. What's your favorite book to listen to being read out loud? Today for Black History Month, we're focused on Jesse Owens. Once known as the fastest man in the world, Olympic track and field champion Jesse Owens won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Games. James Cleveland Owens was a frail child whose condition sometimes prevented him from helping his family with farm work. When he was 8, they moved from Alabama to Ohio for better opportunities. When a teacher wrote his initials J.C. as Jesse by mistake, he decided to keep it. By 5th grade, Jesse grew into a strong runner and joined the track team. After setting records in the 100 and 200-yard dash and the broad jump, his coach described him as appearing to float in air. Jesse's success attracted college recruiters. By this time, Jesse was a young father and so attended Ohio State University to stay near family. Jesse reigned as OSU's first black sports team captain. Nicknamed the Buckeye Bullet, he set 3 world records and made history as an Olympic champion. Happy birthday today to Barrett Beck and Emma Shelley. Hope you enjoy your day. Please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's Would You Rather ties back to World Read Aloud Day. Would you rather listen to a book being read to you, or would you rather read silently? That's a tough one. I really enjoy both. I like to listen to books in the car on the way to school, but I also like to read before bed. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Today we're getting to know Mr. Lamanna. His favorite color is blue, and he grew up in Euclid. Mr. Lamanna has 2 dogs named Zeta and Dinah. This is his 23rd year teaching. Mr. Lamanna's favorite spot to vacation is Holden Beach, and in his free time, he likes to spend time with his family. He is the varsity wrestling coach, so of course his favorite sport is wrestling. A big thank you to Gigi from Soaring Cards for gathering facts about Mr. Lamanna. As you know, we've been doing Do You Want to Build a Snowman as our iReady contest. We are competing to see who can pass the most lessons in reading and math. We have all of the updated information on the bulletin board, but I thought I would bring it to you in a digital format on Wednesdays. Here's how you earn points. If your class passes 50 lessons, you will earn a hat. We've all earned the hat so far. We've also all earned our first arm. The arm is 100 total points. Some of the classes have earned an extra arm along with eyes. As you can see, there are other things that we have to earn along the way. The first class to get to 400 points wins. Let's check out our progress. Nice job, kindergarten. We have hats, both arms, and Miss Wild's class even has her eyes. First grade, same thing. Everybody has hats, arms, and Miss Kiesel's class has eyes. Second grade looks eerily similar. All 3 classes have their hats. Mrs. Dennison and Mrs. Ward's class both have their arms, and Mrs. Ward's class has eyes. Looking at 3rd grade, everybody has their hat and 1 arm. 4th grade is the same. Everybody has hats and an arm. And 5th grade, everybody has hats and an arm. Keep up the good work, Team Fairfax. Let's keep working to pass those math and reading iReady lessons. Have a wacky Wednesday, Team Fairfax. Enjoy your day. Be happy with who you are and what you do, and you can do anything you want.